Using Google Calendar gift cards can enhance your experience by allowing you to access premium features or services. Follow these steps to learn how to use them effectively. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure that the gift card you have is compatible with Google Calendar services. Look for any specific instructions or limitations mentioned on the card. Step 2. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. Sign into your Google account associated with the calendar you wish to enhance. Step 3. Navigate to the gift card redemption page. Once signed in, locate the section for redeeming gift cards. This is usually found in the Settings or Account Management area of Google Services. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Carefully enter the code from your gift card in the designated field. Make sure there are no typos, as this could prevent successful redemption. Step 5. Confirm and use your credit. After entering the code, confirm the redemption. Your account will be credited with the amount, which you can now use to access premium features or services within Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can easily utilize your Google Calendar gift cards and enhance your scheduling experience.